The Morning Brew.
The Morning Brew.
With DJ Tommy G.
With DJ Tommy G.
89.5 radio, the way it should be.
Oh yes, you heard it right. Radio the way it should be. Welcome back to the Morning Brew Show. Second hour of this radio show. It's now 11:10 a.m. In case you need to know the time, baka may lakad ka, late ka na. 11:10 is the time right about now. Also right about now, live here at the 89.5 radio station booth, we have our friends here from Glutinous Wellness. Am I putting it right? Glutinous Wellness. It rhymes. Glutinous Wellness, located at SM City, Olongapo, downtown. That's at the, am I right? Third level? Second level? Third level po ba?
Yes po, that's right.
Yan, okay.
True.
Pero ngayon, nandito muna sila. Pero huwag kayo mag-alala, bukas pa rin yun. Baka may papunta dyan sa inyo, biglang mag-U-turn. Ano? Bukas pa rin po yun. May mga able stop na nandoon na naiwan doon. Ayan. Okay, so you guys do self-introduction. Sige po. Pakilala na kayo.
Hi guys, good morning everyone. This is Nurse Clarice of Glutinous Wellness and Beauty Center. I'm the CEO of Glutinous Wellness. We built this clinic since 2018, even before it started with the building or with the physical clinic. It's been running since 2018 and until now, thank you Lord for the stronger company that we have until now. And ayun nga.
Amen to that.
Yeah. Given to that, we also got a lot of influencers and ambassadors who trust and recommends our clinic. I actually have here with me our two grand ambassadors, Shago Ganda and who just won the pageant, Charlie Cook, the Mr. Runway International. Here he goes.
Okay. Si DJ din to eh. DJ Siego tong kaibigan natin.
Yes, magandang morning.
Oh, see, there you go.
Good morning everyone, to all our Subic Bay kapamilya, kapuso at kapatid at lahat mga nakikinig ngayon. Happy listening everyone. You are now listening here at, of course, the morning show, the Morning Brew, together with our CEO of Glutinous Wellness Beauty Center. And of course, this is DJ Shago Ganda together with our very special guest, the one and only Mr. Charlie Cook.
Charlie Cook.
Siya yung isa sa mga nag-viral sa Subic, Zambales.
Okay.
As we shoot our EBP.
Ayun. All right.
So everyone, my name is Charlie Cook and I recently won the national competition of Mr. International Philippines and I get the title of Mr. Runway Model Universe Philippines 2024.
Okay, that's nice. Awesome. All right. And your turn to introduce yourself.
Good day everyone. I'm Jenna Rosan Canchico. I'm the secretary of Ma'am Clarice po.
Yun. All right. Glad you joined us.
She's a
here.
newbie secretary in our clinic po. Our angel, Jen Ann.
Okay, ayan. Siyempre, nandito yung mga kaibigan natin from Glutinous to, you know, let you guys know of their services, what you guys offer. Pero una muna, kanina nga nabanggit mo, it started, anong year yun yung sinabi
Since
mo?
2018 po, DJ. We
Since
started it na.
2018, ayun.
But we registered it in the year of 2019. Kasi it's on demand of the clients for us to build a physical clinic. So, sinunod lang namin sila. Nagkaroon kami ng clinic. Yun, pina-register namin sa DTI in 2019 and history speaks for itself. The rest is history na talaga.
And yan, parang we're talking about history 101 na rin of Glutinous. Ayan.
True.
So you started it. You started Glutinous.
Yes.
Yeah.
I'm the sole nurse in Glutinous Wellness. Actually, there are a lot of people who wants to branch out our clinic. But again, I really don't want to trust the clinic and the services na alam ko na hindi talaga sure na okay. Pero yun nga, kung may mag-branch out man, which is ang dami na talagang gusto mag-branch out. Pero yun nga, at the end of the day, isipin ko rin talaga yung kapakanan ng mga clients, kung magiging safe ba sila and everything, kahit na hindi ako nakatingin and all. So maybe soon in the near future, we can have branches na rin.
But as of now, you're doing hands-on talaga na
yes,
ikaw talaga
really.
nakatutok.
I'm really on hands-on sa clinic talaga ever since. And that's what I really like din naman kasi I know that our clients are safe with my hands.
Oh, that's good.
Ganon.
Napag-usapan na rin lang natin yung humble beginnings of Glutaness. Would you like to tell us, how did you came up with this? Paano naisip mo ba na ito yung next na, or may nagsuggest sa'yo, hey, you do this? Or paano yung pinaka-beginnings mo talaga? Sige.
Actually, I passed the board exam, nursing board exam, 2011. And then, after that, hindi pa ako talaga nagluta. Nag-volunteer muna ako sa City Health as a volunteer nurse for about maybe 7 to 8 months. And then after that, medyo nalihis ako ng landas, medyo nawala ako sa pagiging nurse. Pero naging ako, sales marketing, as well as nag-assist ako sa company ng sister ko sa Manila from 2012 to 2013, naging private driver, private secretary, sales executive sa Customs Manila. My sister kasi, she owns a trading company and we service yung mga nagtitinda kami ng mga different kinds of goods sa PNOC, EDC, Customs Manila. Ayun, tapos yun nga, nung time na yun, may friend ako na nurse din dito. So sabi niya na why not i-open ko yung sarili ko sa paggugluta. Sabi ko nung time na yun, ayun nga, tapos, pero that time, hindi pa ako talaga diretso gluta. Kasi that time, I got pregnant and then 2015 yun, then 2016, medyo wala pa sa isip ko talaga yung mga ganung bagay. I am a mere housewife that time. So, 2015, 16, 17, then sabi ko, it's not that boring to be a hands-on mom, but I decided to, why not give it a twist, a spice, yung pagiging nanay ko, as well as gusto ko rin gamitin yung profession ko as a nurse. So sabi ko, nag-start muna ako 2018 ng January. Ayun na yung humble beginnings ko. Kwento ko lang din. Nag-start ako sa mga bahay-bahay. Talagang nakakaabot akong Pampanga, Iba, tapos sa Bundok ng Tralala, sa Gordon Heights. Tagalagan lahat yan. Nililibot ko, kasama ko yung kasama ko sa nag-aalaga sa anak ko. And ayun, may service naman ako. Kaya anywhere I go, I just enjoyed the ride. Talagang, for me, it was just like a mere pleasure for me na as well as nakakatulong. Then later on, yung mga clients na nakikita nila na parang, ayun, dumadami na nga rin yung mga clients ko all over the Zambales and in Olongapo. So, ang dami na rin talagang nagde-demand for me to put up a physical clinic. So then, in 2018 yun. Then 2019, we've decided na mag-put up ng physical clinic. And then, doon na. The rest is history. Nag-start siya ng 2019 June. And then, nag-start kami actually first branch namin sa James Gordon, sa tapat ng James Gordon Hospital rather, sa may tabi ng Generics Pharmacy, yung hilera doon na medyo tago ng time na yon.
Yun yung unang branch.
Yes po, yun yung unang branch namin. Since June 2019 to August 2021 yun. Tapos, ayun nga, but in 2019, I got no one with me. Like, ako lang talaga yung nag-operate ng clinic. I was the only one who marketed in the social media. And then, one time, I had this friend na she introduced me, this person, my very, very pioneer first ambassador of Glutaness Wellness, DJ Shego Ganda that time. Sabi niya sa akin na, uy, Soy, i-recommend ko sa'yo si DJ Shego parang mag-promote ang clinic. Kasi sabi ko naman, okay, sige. For me kasi, yung mga ganong mga promoter, influencer, ambassador, it's not on my mind talaga. As long as I do my thing, I administer Gluta, I'm all right with that. I don't care about how people will reach my page or the clinic. As long as I do my part, tuloy-tuloy na rin kasi nung time na yon na ang dami nag-recommend ng clinic, ang daming gustong mag-ambassador, mag-promote ng clinic. And yun nga, since 2019, from the first branch sa Banikain, nalipat tayo sa Ulo ng Apo by clients' demand na naman. And then with 2 years there in Ulo ng Apo, by clients' demands again, yun, nalipat naman tayo ngayon sa SM City, Olongapo, downtown. And yun nga guys, right now it's already in its 5th year anniversary. So ngayon guys, we're very thankful na nakaabot tayo sa ganito. And actually, there are a lot of people who's representing the clinic. Not only the ambassadors, the models, as well as the clients talaga na pinapromote tayo. Ibang aspects ng buhay, mga teacher, mga beauty queens, moms, dads. Actually, ang glutathione kasi na service namin is not only about whitening, it's also about the overall health benefits ng katawan natin. It has a lot of benefits actually. Like for example, nga yung mga artista, you ever wonder why they they still did it kahit na maghapon sila na lagi silang puyat and lagi silang nasa work, pero they still look fresh. It's about glutathione. Like for example, they're alagang clinic like this one and all. But yun nga, di sa clinic namin, that's what we offer. We offer health and wellness sa mga tao, mga Olongapo or Zambales ka man. And yun nga guys, going back, again, we're on our up to 30% promo sa clinic namin. Not only do we offer Glutadrip, Glutapush, but we also offer Mesolipo, Slimming Mesolipo, Botox, RF Slimming, Pimple Treatment Shots, whitening facial scrub, and ayun nga guys, as long as you refer the clinic successfully, everyone you know who are really capable of having those sessions sa clinic namin, meron kayong free kahit sino pwedeng mag-refer ng services natin sa clinic. Go lang kayo sa clinic namin guys. It's located in SM City, Olongapo Downtown, 3rd level. It's a Gluta Capital of Olongapo, Glutaness Wellness and Beauty Center. And nga guys, I'm Nurse Clarice of Glutaness Wellness and Beauty Center. I've administered about 25,350 veins, and by the will of God,
25,000.
yes, sana magtuloy-tuloy, and thank you talaga kay God for this opportunity, and as well as the of course talent, skills that is given me. Kaya nga after all, everybody can be a nurse, but not everybody can handle it so well like I do in being a gluta nurse.
Yun, more than
25,350
Parang,
veins.
yung sa
Mga
commercial sa
ugat-ugat
TV,
yan.
maririnig mo, not 1, not 2.
But
25,000.
Ayun, since 2018. Medyo nabilang ko siya.
And it's, sabi mo nga, you guys are celebrating your 5th anniversary, you know? Kailan yung
Yes.
anniversary mismo?
Actually, it's already passed.
Okay.
June 28
Okay lang
last month.
Yeah, June 28
And yun nga,
lang.
medyo busy-busy sa clinic. So, we just posted it on our Facebook page na we just celebrated it just like that. But the actual celebration, let's see. Kasi medyo busy pa kami
Ayun.
ngayon. Tututukan talaga namin yung pwesto sa mall.
Well, sabi nga nila, business for business to reach 5 years established na. And then 10 years, yung nag-start and uupo-upo na lang.
True, sana nga. Ayun.
Yeah. So happy 5th anniversary sa Glutaness Wellness.
Yes,
And
thank you, DJ.
nabanggit mo na rin lang since napag-usapan na rin lang natin since it's well established now. Of course, you have your ambassadors nga. Ayan,
Yes po, ang dami
go
na
further
ng
into
nila.
that. Una mong endorser is
DJ
si
Shego,
DJ
ganda.
Shego.
Siya ang kauna-unahan.
Ayan, tell us about the journey endorsing Glutaness Wellness.
Ayun, it's like a roller coaster.
Roller coaster. Ups and downs.
It's like a roller coaster starting 2019 until now, and many years pa in counting. Ang daming pinagdaanan ng Glutaness Wellness, and I was there.
Yeah.
Na-witness ko everything from the downfall to until now na super successful na. So, daming dumaan na mga ambassadors, mga secretaries, clients. And starting from 2019 until now, andun pa rin sila. So, nakakatuwa.
Yun.
Nakakatuwa yung journey namin together.
Nag-expand siya ng
Ganun talaga eh, no?
And now, luckily, some of our ambassadors are, competing for national and international. And we have here Charlie Cook.
Hello po, hi.
Yun. Doon tayo papunta sa isa pang bisita ninyo na kasama natin dito.
Yes.
Endorser nyo rin, ano? Yeah.
Endorsers and ambassadors natin, hindi lang sila basta-basta.
Yan.
Gumagawa ng sarili nilang names. At the same times, kasama natin si Glutaness Wellness na nandyan.
Nag-aalaga sa inyong mga katawan.
Oo, kasi lalo na kami very busy sa life. So, nakakalimutan na mag-vitamins.
Kailangan
So, the good
maging-
thing about Glutaness Wellness Beauty Center is they're taking good care of our health and our skin.
Yes.
So definitely kailangan sa ating mga nasa ganitong industriya kailangan na yan. Tapos may camera pa tayong kaharap lagi,
True.
di ba?
So, kailangan very
Kailangan magpalakas, ma-replenish ang
Yes.
ating mga energy.
True.
Detox, ganon.
Okay. And going to Sir Charlie naman.
Hi po.
First of all, congratulations muna.
Thank you.
Ayan, thank you for winning the crown for our country, syempre. Karangalan ng bansa natin yan, di ba? Ayan, so tell us about your journey. With Glutaness and the pageants you joined, syempre.
So, like what Miss Shego said na it's been a roller coaster ride talaga. It's a journey. Then, so I get to know Miss Nurse nung around last year, December, when I won the title of Mr. Zambales Tourism sa Mr. Zambales competition. And now talagang inaalagaan niya kami yung the way ano yung pagganda ng skin namin. The reason why we look presentable sa people, it's because of her.
Okay.
And yeah, yung sa journey ko, ang ganda talaga. Yung sa Batangas, then I won the national title of Mr. Runway Model Philippines. And then, yeah, we'll be competing sa Bulgaria po.
Bulgaria.
October. So, madadala natin yung Glutinous Wellness sa Bulgaria International.
Mag-home service na ba ako sa
Very
Bulgaria?
Bulgaria.
Baka may gustong magpa-service yun sa Bulgaria.
Baka sa susunod may international hub ng Glutinous Wellness.
Actually, we're thinking about home servicing and company servicing again. Para yun nga, mas maging flexible si Glutinous. Sa lahat, marireach niya lahat ng tao, mga ayaw lumabas ng bahay or company or work, para mas nila, kumbaga yung goal nila to be healthy, nandoon pa rin. So we're thinking about bringing it back, yung pag home service sa mga clients natin.
Yun, yung mga nasa Bulgarian embassy, turukan mo, Ma'am Nurse.
Sa West Philippines Sea pupunta tayo.
Yun. Sa pati West Philippines.
Kailangan pala kasi natin yung mga tropa. Joke.
Kasama ka sa sisigaw ng amin ang West Philippine Sea.
Paglaban. Glutinous Wellness.
Yeah. Okay, so when will you be going to, kailan ulit yung laban sa Bulgaria?
Well, that will be on October po.
This coming October, to
Third
represent
week,
the Philippines, of
probably
course.
Third week. And then, ayos na po kami ng visa ko para, para maganda yung preparation. And then, yeah, I do a lot of preparation, mentally, physically. I do workout a lot. And then, yeah, mentally, I read a lot of books and try to meditate. And then, just surround myself with good people like Miss Shego, and then sa team ko, Standout Productions. And yeah, ayun po.
Is it okay to ask? You're originally from the city of Olongapo, am I right?
Oh, yes po.
Pero you have an American sounding name, and Cook is an English.
Kasi po I'm half-blooded European. Actually, I'm half European, British, Dutch, and half Filipino. My mom's a Filipina, and then my dad is a mix of European. And then, ayun po. But I was born and raised here in the Philippines. It's just that growing up, my adopted parent would talk to me in English, would speak to me in English. So that's why growing up, I learned how to speak English very well. And then I reside in Subic, Barangay Matayin. And yung LGU ng Subic, they're very proud sa akin. They're very supportive. Sina Mayor John Conghun, then Ma'am Pamela Reyes. They're very supportive po. Kaya thank you very much.
Of course, they have to. They have to give the support. Of course, you will be carrying the Philippine flag in
yes, nakaraan Zambales lang. So ngayon, Philippine flag na.
Lume-level up.
Level up. Sunod niya, international na tayo mananalo.
Amen. Manalo yan.
Amen. Yeah.
Best of luck.
Thank you po.
You can do it. Kayang-kaya yan.
Yes.
Lately sa international pageant, the country Philippines has been, nangibabaw tayo eh. Bigla all of a sudden naging powerhouse. Exactly. That's the word we're looking for. Yeah, nagkasunod-sunod, no. Yan with Megan Young, with Shamsi, with and the other mga naging winners pa natin.
Gagaling nga nila eh.
Oh, wow. And Charlie and again Shego is proudly endorsing Glutinous Wellness. Aside from DJ Shego and Kuya Charlie talaga yun, no? Sino pa yung mga iba mo pang endorsers, Ma'am
Ayun, to highlight
Clarice?
po yung mga grand ambassadors namin. We have Leona Anderson. She's a Mrs. International Philippines 2021. We also have Marjorie Barillo. She's a Mrs. Asia Pacific Tourism 2021 as well. We also have some other beauty queens like
Shego Ganda.
Shego Ganda.
There you go.
Ayan. We also have some of our ambassadors like actor Dean Sanco Petran. We have just to tell their names. Gladys Jane Jimenez, si Kirk Daniel Libiran, Paul Gonzalez, Russell De Leon, si Neil Sullivan. Yun yung mga recent ambassadors natin na nag-represent ng clinic. As well as we do have sino-sino pa ba? Actually marami talaga sila eh, marami. Si DJ others. Si DJ Nicole Kathleen, she's also representing the clinic. And DJ Shego, Enan Yumol, Din Sanco Petran, Shane Lugto, Ceslay, Angel Orolfo. Super dami. Si Care yung singer natin.
Si Jason Care.
Yes.
He's a good singer.
Doesn't care.
In fact, I have some of his songs here, mga studio
Yes,
recorded
oo.
songs. Yeah.
Yun yung
Napakagaling na mama.
Actually, they're all the ambassadors na nag-represent ng clinic. They present themselves sa clinic natin na we see naman they represent the clinic. So we accepted them all. And whoever wants to be like ambassador of our clinic, you're all welcome as long as you're in a good position,
in the industry,
good industry to influence and promote not only the clinic but wellness. As long as you're in a wellness journey and you're into health talaga, you're all welcome to promote the clinic talaga.
Si Mr. Thompson Andrada Gatdula.
Ayun, exactly. Si DJ Tommy.
Mr. Morning Brew Subic Bay Philippines.
Yes. Ayan, lagi kong pinapakinggan yan sa radyo.
The title holder of the Grand Hungry Always. Anong titulo yun? So, Ma'am Clarice, invite them once again. Right now, you have ongoing specials like promos or whatever. Let them know.
Yes, actually, this upcoming Saturday and Sunday on July 13 and 14, we'll be giving away flyers in Royal, SBMA. It's in the new and the old location there, here in SBMA. So we get the privilege to really like present our company there, na magbigay kami ng flyer sa mga tao at lalo pang i-spread yung clinic namin ng company sa lahat ng mga mamamayan ng Olongapo, Zambales, Bataan at kahit saan pang lupalop. Actually, nung this past na Holy Week, a lot of people came into our clinic. Not only they're in Zambales but they're really from different locations, even from the states din talaga sila, yung mga sumali ng Ironman. Talagang nag-boost sila sa clinic, nag-boost sila ng vitamin drip nila para mas mapalakas pa sila kasi not only they're into whitening but they're into their health na para for them it's their way of replenishing and filling in yung health or yung nawala sa kanilang energy. Yun yung way nila para to replenish their energy again and to start their day ahead na talagang buo yung kanilang health and wellness. Yon. Yeah. Malayo sa mga sakit-sakit and actually yun nga when it comes to having those drips, syempre we assess our clients very well kasi not everybody can have it. Syempre, dapat you're in good condition, you're really capable of having the vitamin drip that we offer in our clinic. In clear condition ka, you don't have any allergy, complications in your health, like in your heart, kidney, liver, or whatever. So, we really make sure our clients are in safe hands. Hindi lang kami basta administer or turok ng turok. We see to it that everybody that we give our sessions to are really capable of having those drips that we offer in our clinic.
And as well as problema, no?
Yes, clear talaga lahat. We give them medical form, we assess them very well, me and my secretary, para talagang dire-diretso lang sa health and wellness talaga. And ayun nga, good thing that we have in our clinic, not only that services that we have, but the mere fact na we gave them painless IV drip and yung painless talaga na, as they say nga naman, I'm not really buhat may bangko, but I'm thankful na, ayun nga, a lot of people representing the clinic, they have experienced the service in our clinic na alam nila talaga na ka-market, ka-recommended, and talagang trusted talaga siya. So, we're really thankful na talagang tuloy-tuloy lang yung clinic. And ayun.
In fact, I saw some of the reviews dun sa yung mga ibang nabasa ko, sabi nga parang nakikipagkwentuhan lang ako kay Nurse Clarice, nakaturok na pala.
Yes, ayun.
Ganun kagaling daw, hindi nila
Actually, a lot of people, the reason why they keep on coming back sa clinic namin is that they feel na parang magaan, we accommodate them well, and we also, kahit saang aspeto ka pa ng buhay mo, mapa-housewife ka pa, entrepreneur, teacher, kahit saan ka pa nagtatrabaho, whoever you are, we all treat everybody the same. Kasi nga, when it comes to health, lahat talaga yan, kailangan nating i-treat, mapasino ka man. Kasi yun talaga ang mere goal namin, to serve every Olongapoño and Zambaleño up to this date and so on, para makatulong kami sa kanila din. Ganun.
Alright. Yung flyering activity and na binanggit ni Ma'am Clarice sa Royal Duty Free Store po yun.
Yes
Store
po.
1 and Store 2. Ayan.
Yes po, DJ.
So if you happen to be at Royal Duty Free on those dates she mentioned, you'll get to know more about Glutaness pa rin dyan sa Royal Duty Free
Yes,
mismo.
actually, we have exclusive promos that we're going to give there in
There you go.
Royal Duty Free
Yun.
happening on 13 and 14. So guys, if you have free time, you can go there para ma-avail nyo yung mga special promo pa namin aside from the current promo that we have.
Yeah, I think
Ayun.
it's gonna be part of their wellness specialty sale or
Yes po,
something.
DJ. Actually, every time
Yeah,
that we have
kasama
this
yun.
anniversary, we always give promos talaga para to give away para talagang mas ma-acknowledge kami and mas makilala pa ng mas nakararaming sambayanan. Ganon.
Sambayan ng people.
Oo, mga madlang people. Ganon.
Okay, ayan. All right, so you guys visit Glutaness Wellness Clinic at SM City Olongapo downtown. At the
It's
third
BMA
level.
gate guys ha. Kasi
Yes.
actually nung nag-start pa lang kasi yung clinic sa may downtown, a lot of clients they got confused with the downtown and with the central.
Yes,
So
exactly.
ina-emphasize namin yung downtown or which yung location namin. It's located near Columban College, SBMA gate. It's in Magsaysay Drive. Lahat na talaga ng way inaano namin.
Paglabas ng yung mga nagtatrabaho dito sa Subic Bay Freeport, paglabas
Yes.
nyo ng main gate, yan yung mall natin, yung downtown.
Actually, we got a lot of clients as well, the workers in SBMA, sa mga companies dyan, sa mga sa mga production operator. Everybody, marami na kami clients sa mga call center,
Yes,
ganyan.
yes, yes.
They see to it that they routinely got their booster vitamins in our clinic. Kasi ngayon, paglabas nila ng SBMA, if they feel like parang tired sila, parang medyo parang gusto nilang ma-boost and parang gusto nilang lumakas, dumadaan sila sa clinic. Actually, our service, hindi talaga siya mabigat sa bulsa. You can really do it routinely like every week. Like for example, our price starts at $399 sa Gluta Push. Diba guys? So it's really affordable talaga for everybody else, yung $399. And yung drip namin starts at $699. And actually, when you avail 10 or 21 sessions, mas malaki pa yung madi-discount nyo. And meron din tayong mga services natin, yung mga premium drips natin sa mga talagang gustong pumuti, yung talagang for the lighter skin talaga. We have this premium natin, 500,000 mg Hickory Slimming Drip, Cinderella 250,000 drip and Snow White drip na talagang magiging Snow White ka talaga. Snow White hindi yung
White
Seven
talaga.
Dwarfs. Snow White, gano'n. Charot. Snow White talaga.
Snow White. White like Snow White.
Yes,
Yun.
we actually have real people that na kasi syempre when it comes sa glutathione, syempre ang connotation natin pang palighten, pero which is a lot of people yun talaga yung habol nila, nakakaputi. And for all the people who still questions, we got a lot of people na talaga napaputi po talaga natin from Michael Jackson talaga to Lucy Torres ang datingan. Oo, talagang actually I'm not the only one who can testify with that, but also the ambassadors and the people who really witness our clients and as well as our models na talagang nag-level up, nag-transform talaga. And actually, not only the ambassadors that we transform, not only their skin, but also their health nga, yun nga talagang nakita namin sa mga clients na talagang kaya sila bumabalik-balik kasi they see actual and real results sa clinic namin.
Yes, definitely.
So, ganun.
Okay, so yan. Kayo rin na nakikinig ngayon, if you wanna have those beautiful qualities na minention ni Madam Nurse Clarice, as we call her,
Yes, Nurse
you
Clarice.
better visit Glutaness Wellness today. Ayan.
Yes, visit na kayo guys.
Okay.
Para sa inyong wellness journey. Tuloy-tuloy. Samahan namin kayo, tulungan din namin kayo para mas mapaigting nyo at mas ma-maximize nyo yung potential nyo sa buhay nyo. Siyempre, when it comes to everyday works and living the ginagawa natin, siyempre, mas mabibigay natin yung full potential natin kapag tayo ay malakas, malayo sa sakit, at saka talagang boosted talaga tayo, di ba? So, yun, health is wealth.
Yep.
Ika nga.
Definitely.
Ganon.
Okay. Wow. We have a beautiful piece of info today dito sa ating
True.
Morning Brew Show. So, on a final note, anything you guys would like to add to that? Perhaps kasama na mga pagbati. Dahil
gusto mo
nanonood sa inyo ngayon yung mga kapitbahay, kamag-anak, si Mahal. Sige, go ahead.
Yun guys, aside from I wanna greet my ambassadors, our clients, our beloved Olongapeños and Zambaleños, I also wanna greet my family, Nanay Merly in Barreto, And ang aking husband is in Europe right now. He's working there. And my son, actually hiwa-hiwalay kami ngayon, nagbabakasyon yung anak ko sa Manila. And I want to greet everybody, my families. Ate Jo, she's a government dentist, Josephine Liaño. My sister, Evelyn Sarica, she's also in Manila. As well as my sister in Australia, Catherine. My brother, Rudy Mer, he just celebrated his birthday yesterday. Also, my brother Philip and all my siblings and relatives. Kung nasan man kayo, stay healthy and take care always. And yun. Lagi lang safe and laging mag-pray. Ganon.
And lahat ng nakakakilala kay Ma'am Clarice.
Lahat ng nakakilala sa akin. Punta na kayo sa clinic.
Walang palya, no? Lahat.
Ayan. Lahat ng mga client ko mula 2018, guys.
Yes.
Ibalik nyo na yung inyong alindog. Bibigay namin sa inyo at tutulungan namin kayong bumalik ang inyong alindog program. Ganon.
Okay. How about you guys?
Yun po.
Ako, gusto ko lang magpasalamat po sa mga taong sumusuporta sa akin, lalo na sa journey. Siyempre, nandito na rin kasama si Miss Nurse Clarice na talagang papaganda ng skin namin. And of course, I wanna thank sa LGU ng Subic, Sir Mayor John Conghon, Ma'am Pamela Reyes, and Ma'am Eva. Thank you so much po. Then also sa uncle ko po and auntie ko na nakikinig ngayon, si Auntie Celia Orca and then Fernando Orca na uncle ko. And also I want to greet my mother, my mom, Cherry Zamora, and then also my adopted parent, Narcisa Medrano, and then my dad, who's working right now sa Calaclan, nagbabangkero siya, na si Rodrigo Medrano po. And then yung little sister ko na si Deborah Jael, nakaka-birthday lang kahapon, so happy birthday ulit. Yes.
Sila ni kuya ko.
Oh, yes. And then also sa mga manager ko, si Sir Brian Porch na nakikinig ngayon, lalo na si Kuya Mike Crawford. Thank you. And also sa sponsor po namin na Order Mo .ph, thank you so much. Then Mark Creatives, then aking designer na si Sir Richie Bondok, and then Arvin Dizon. Then yes, that's all po. Thank you.
All right. Okay, thank you guys. Everybody who's supporting yung magiging laban ng ating Mr. Runway model yung sasalihan mo sa Bulgaria.
Bulgaria,
This
yes.
coming October.
This October na po yan, so stay tuned, guys.
Again, best of luck.
Yes.
Thank you po.
All right.
Ayan.
Okay, anything you wanna add?
Once again, happy listening everyone, and thank you so much for always listening here in 89.5 Civic Radio together with DJ Tommy G. And once again, good luck to our Mr. Runaway
Best of
Model
luck.
Universe.
Yes.
Thank you po.
Competing on this upcoming October in Bulgaria, Europe. And one congratulations again to the 50th year anniversary of Glutenous Wellness Beauty Center.
Yes.
Thank you so much.
And yun,
5
thank you so much
years.
din po for inviting us to
Thank
represent
you.
our clinic here in your radio station, 89.5.
Pleasure is ours.
Yeah, Subic
Pleasure is
B
ours.
Radio.
Definitely.
Thank you very much po, DJ.
And also, Pablo lang po.
Yeah, go ahead.
You can search me up on Facebook, Charlie Cook, and sa Instagram, Charlie Cook L. Then
Yes.
also our management page sa Standout Production. So
Yes.
you can get a lot of updates there about me, and so
There you go.
and other things happening in our lives. So yes,
Yeah.
follow po Standout Productions.
All right. That's one way of supporting din. Siyempre, yung bet natin, di ba? Be updated, makibalita lagi, di ba? That's one way
Thank you po.
you supporting him. Okay.
DJ, I
Yes.
would like to add pala, this upcoming on July 20, Man of the World will... a lot of international delegates will be coming here at
Man of the World.
Man of the World. So we'll be having almost 28 candidates from different countries.
It's also like a pageant, no?
Yeah,
Tama
it's a
ba?
pageant.
Yeah.
It's like parang Miss Universe.
It
from
will be
the
held
girls.
here?
Yeah.
Wow. Saan dito sa...
First stop nila is a Subic Safari.
Okay.
And after that, going to Botolan, Zambales at Villa Elisa. So
Alright.
they will be having swimmer competition.
Okay.
And a lot of activities until July 23.
All right.
So,
Pero the main event,
the main event
will
will
be
be
at-
on July 26 on Metro Manila.
sa Manila
Philippines.
na. Parang one of their stops is here dito, Subic Bay,
Yes.
Freeport, and Zambales, no?
Yes, kasi ikot sila ng Luzon, Visayas, and Mindanao. Kasi tayo yung host ngayon, Philippines.
Yes.
So, yun.
Tama-tama.
Tayo.
Sana abutan. May special promo kasi dadaan sila sa Subic Safari mo, di ba? Sabi kay Ma'am Betchay Alvarez na lagi nakikinig yan eh.
Yes,
And Ma'am Betchay, ongoing pa ba yung nyo, yung promo nyo na Running with the Tigers? Bahala na kung abutan. Yun yung title ng promo.
Ayun,
I'm just kidding
so,
there. Pero yeah, sa Subic sa
luckily,
Tani
the partner of Man of the World is Standout Production. So, tayo ang nag-cater sa kanila here in Zambales.
You're part of the...
Yes, we are
Grabe,
one
ang
of the
daming racket
organizing
nito. No?
team.
Natutulog ka pa ba?
Wala na siyang tulugan.
You're here and there and everywhere.
Gising siya lagi.
So, yun yung magandang pride for us kasi since maraming mga countries ang pupunta dito. Tapos dito pa sa Olongapo gaganapin. So,
Yeah,
we're very
that's
much
nice.
honor
Okay.
part of their competition, Man of the World 2024.
Is this gonna be the first one, Man of the World? Or pang ilan na, no? Nakaka...
Sixth na.
Sixth year na.
And then
Every
back to-
year, right?
Yes, back-to-back champion ng Philippines.
Oh.
So, Philippines na host.
Nag-host. Wow, that's nice, huh? Uh-huh. All right. Okay. So once again, thank you for all the beautiful piece of info
Thank you po.
that you guys
Yes,
given
Gigi,
us
thank you po.
today.
Thank you.
You made the program extra fun. maraming salamat.
Thank you.
Okay, so there you have it, people. Once again, on a final note, visit Glutinous Wellness now. Today, kung gusto mo maganda na si Mahal, pagandahin mo palalo, dalhin mo ron. Damay mo na yung sarili mo, ikaw na rin. Magpaturo ka na rin.
True.
Hindi lang si Mahal. Ayan.
Love
Visit them.
yourself.
Yes. Third level, SM City, Olongapo, downtown. We're gonna press play on the next requested song. We will be back with more of the latest piece of news and info from in and around Subic Bay, Freeport. For the meantime, here's Paramore with their song Last Hope, 895 Subic Bay Radio.